A classic car. في بنسلفانيا BA في ايستن. اليوم عاملين معرض للسيارات الكلاسيك القديمة. هاي شيفرليت. I don't know what year is it. Super nice. Hi, how are you? Nice car, beautiful. What year is it? 57? It's 1957 Chevy. I see. Beautiful. If you wanted to sell it, how much are you going to sell it for?
We're not going to sell it.
No?
No, we put too much work into it.
I see. Beautiful. Mm-hmm. Nice car. Here. سيارات كلاسك في بنسلفانيا BA. Super nice. Look for the engine. Mercury. Super nice. Look how beautiful it is from inside. طبعا السيارات هذه حاطينها للعرض بس مو للبيع. It's Mercury. How you doing, sir? What year is it?
I think it said it was a 50. A 1950, I think.
1950 Mercury,
Mercury,
right?
right? Mercury,
Yep,
yeah.
yep. Beautiful.
Yeah, that is really nice. Actually, as far as like bodywork goes, there's a blue Camaro over there, a 69 Camaro.
Yeah?
Like you look down there's not a ding in that car. It's beautiful. Like as far as like all the bodywork goes. This is nice. I really like it.
Yeah. It's 1957 Chevy Tail.
Original owner, look at this, $3,000 for a car.
$3,300. I paid that for
I can't
mine.
believe
So this is when they got it.
that's like a down payment nowadays,
Yeah, original
right?
owner.
Yeah.
51,000 original.
Well,
That's
it was less than 3, and then
yeah. Yeah, look at the options. Power brakes, especially like $11, right? $12. Electric wipers.
Okay, so yeah.
wow.
Power brakes for $39 option. Power steering,
Beautiful.
72.
Look for this. It's coming from New Jersey. Essex. Look for this. Wow. Look for the engine. Beautiful. How you doing, sir? What year is it? How you doing, guys? What year is it?
32.
1932.
Yes.
What brand? Chevy. Wow. Chevrolet. 1932. Camaro. Beautiful. With the Camaro, what year is it?
68.
68. Beautiful. If you're willing to sell one of them, how much are you gonna ask for it? No sale? Beautiful. طبعا هالسيارة جديدة حاطين العرض هون بس. Beautiful, beautiful. This one, Chevrolet. This is Chevrolet. Look for the engine, look at the brake system. Wow, beautiful. Really nice. Wow. I don't know what year is it. Probably 1932, 1935. This is 8 figure. Chevrolet. Beautiful. Pillar. This Chevrolet too. This is the oldest car in the history. Firebird. I think it's Pontiac. This Firebird Pontiac. Wow, look how beautiful is it. $455. Hi guys, what year is it? What year the car is? What year?
67.
1967.
Yeah.
Wow. Beautiful. Wow. Look what we have here. Look what we have here. Look for the engine. Look. I think I adjusted the engine. Wow. It's really beautiful. Look what we have here. Wow, look. Beautiful. Wow, that's nice. There's a lot of cars here. A lot of them. Look there for the small car there. We're gonna check it out. Wow. Look for this. Incredible. This is nice. This is really beautiful.
My grandkids.
Wow.
The handle for one of those things that goes back and forth. Kids to the east side, they go back and forth.
right.
It broke off. That's why I bought this to replace it.
What year is it, guys?
65.
1965. Camaro.
That's a 64.
Wow. Beautiful. 1965, 1964.
303? Okay, yeah. That stuff's great.
Beautiful.
I guess. I just do it because it cleans it up. Yeah, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, cooking bothers me a little bit.
How about that one? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Camaro. This is, I think, it's all this, not the other one.
This is the electrical, the plumbing, the most important thing. The painting for what?
Because if the electric will go, you get a fire, and you get plumbing.